Good morning. How are you? Today, in today's video, LOCI in organ plane I discussed. LOCI in organ plane I discussed. Wherein straight line, circle, ellipse, hyperbola, all types of curves are dealt in it. They are very important. And also the application of locus questions we have dealt in this video. And some questions with the application of conjugacy, modulus, arguments. All these applications I have discussed in this video. So, I think many questions which are more beneficial and useful for JEE mains, I have discussed in this video. Please go through this video and try to understand. If you have any clarifications or if you want to clarify your doubts, many times I asked you to send me doubts. Some students sent me doubts. I am collecting all these doubts and I want to prepare one video on these doubts. Definitely with in earlier dates, very earlierly I wish to arrange this video which contains the clarifications of some questions of many students. Now these only conjugacy, modulus, amplitude and LOCI in organ plane, these things only discussed in this video. Please go through this video carefully. Standard LOCI. Standard LOCI in organ plane. Standard LOCI in organ plane. A of Z1, B of Z2. Let us take one segment. If P is any point P of Z, such that AP equals to BP, such that AP equals to BP means, what is that? Modulus Z minus Z1. AP means Z minus Z1. BP means Z minus Z2. Modulus Z minus Z2. Modulus Z minus Z1 equals to modulus Z minus Z2. Such a way, if P is there, P is lying on the perpendicular bisector of AB. We observe here AB perpendicular bisector of AB, that P will be there. So this is the first point. So what is the condition? Modulus Z minus Z1 equals to modulus Z minus Z2. A of Z1, B of Z2, a line segment. In case AP equals to BP, in case modulus Z minus Z1 equals to modulus Z minus Z2, then we say P lies on the perpendicular bisector of, this is midpoint, perpendicular bisector of AB. P lies on perpendicular bisector. Number 2. A of Z1 and P of B of Z2 and somewhere P of Z will be there. Then naturally, what is this? AP plus BP equals how much? AB. You know very well in straight lines, collinear. AB is a straight line, a line segment. So when AP means, what is that? Z minus modulus Z minus Z1 plus BP means modulus Z minus Z2 equals to AB means modulus Z2 minus Z1 or modulus Z1 minus Z2, Z1 minus Z2, because it is modulus. We can change like this. Actually, this modulus Z2 minus Z1 or modulus Z1 minus Z2 equals to modulus Z minus Z1 plus modulus Z minus Z2, then what it is? It is a line segment joining A of Z1 and B of Z2. A straight line or a line segment joining A of Z1 and B of Z2. Okay? In case A will be here, A of Z1, B of Z2 will be like this, and some P of Z will be like this. Actually, what is this then? AB equals to AP minus BP. Observe. AB equals to AP minus BP. Here in this case, it will be the ray. A ray. This side, this side, this side going. Because this side P is there, no. So what is the condition in case? What is AB? Z2 minus Z1 or Z1 minus Z2. What is AP? AP modulus Z minus Z1 minus what is BP? Modulus Z minus Z2. So modulus Z1 minus Z2 equals to modulus Z minus Z1 minus modulus Z minus Z2. In case the condition is given like this, what is AB? AB is the ray going in one direction. In case modulus Z1 minus Z2 equals to modulus of modulus Z minus Z1 minus modulus Z minus Z2. In case like this, in case modulus Z1 minus Z2, modulus Z1 minus Z2 equals to modulus Z minus Z1 minus modulus Z minus Z2, then locus of Z, two rays, locus of two rays, both sides it will be going like this, both sides it will be going like this, and like this it will go two rays, because this is locus of Z. What is the locus of Z? Here. Locus of Z is a ray. Here, because we have taken the modulus, of this, we are getting plus or minus, because either this side or that side, this side or that side. So it will be like this. Locus of Z, two rays. Circle. One fixed point C is there. That is of Z1. Variable point P is there. That is of Z. The distance between CP is R is constant. This P will move like this, such that CP equals to R, which is constant. So maintaining constant distance, and it is moving like this. So it forms a circle. Therefore, CP equals to R modulus CP, R is constant. That is radius. CP means, you know very well, Z minus Z1 modulus equals to R, constant. If this is the case, locus of Z is nothing but a circle. center is C of Z1, center C of Z1 and radius R. Next, ellipse. The fundamental definition of the ellipse, one of the fundamental definitions of the ellipse, this is A and this is A dash. Through these vertices it will be like this. It will be like this. Roughly I am drawing imaginary axis, real axis. This is center. Focus S and S dash. Foci S and S dash. This is BB dash. This is major axis. EE dash equals to 2A. Since CA is taken as small a. Okay. 1 point here, S of Z1, S dash of Z2. Some P will be there of Z. It is moving such that SP plus S dash P equals to 2A. SP plus S dash P equals to 2A such that P moves such that SP plus S dash P equals to 2A. This is the definition of the ellipse. Definition of the ellipse. This is the definition of the ellipse. One of the definitions of the ellipse. So what is SP? Modulus SP modulus Z minus Z1 plus modulus Z minus Z2 equals to 2A. Equals to 2A. It is constant greater than S dash. Greater than S and S dash. 2A means this one. S and S dash this one. So it is 2A constant greater than modulus S dash bar. This one. According to this case, definitely modulus Z minus Z1 plus modulus Z minus Z2 equals to constant greater than modulus SS dash bar. This is definitely giving us the locus of ellipse. Locus of ellipse. Here in the ellipse, mainly we want eccentricity. Eccentricity. That is called E. SS dash by SP plus S dash P. Like this. It is nothing but What is SS dash? What is SS dash? Do you know? Modulus Z1 minus Z2 by, this is SP plus modulus SP plus modulus P dash S dash P is nothing but Z minus modulus Z minus Z1 plus modulus Z minus Z2. It is modulus Z1 minus Z2 by, what is this? Constant. What is that constant? What is that constant? What is that constant? This is the constant. So this is constant. This is eccentricity of the ellipse. So the ellipse, you may get that Z minus modulus Z minus Z1 plus modulus Z minus Z2 equals to constant greater than or equals to constant greater than, constant greater than, what is this? Modulus Z1 minus Z2. If it is like this, modulus Z minus Z1 plus modulus Z minus Z2 greater than modulus Z1 minus Z2 will be like this. This case, you will consider ellipse. You will consider the locus of Z. Locus of Z is ellipse. Locus of Z is ellipse. Hyperbola, A dash, S is here, focus. Second focus S dash. Some other point P. Some point on the curve SP S dash P. SP minus S dash P modulus equals to, this is 2A. This is called transverse axis. This is transverse axis. This is transverse axis. The length of the transverse axis was taken as A dash. It is 2A. Like this. Center C 0, 0. This is A dash 2A. It is 2A constant. ASP minus S dash P. Because this is modulus because this is modulus, we can write this as S dash P minus SP also we can write. This is the one of the definitions of a hyperbola from geometry. So in complex numbers, S of Z1, S dash of Z2 and P of Z, any point P of Z, S dash of Z2, S of Z1, S dash of Z2, S of Z1, P of some point P of Z on the curve, on the hyperbola. On the hyperbola, any point P curve. So from this, naturally, this is A dash. Actually, this is what? A dash, no. See, 2A means A dash transverse axis, this distance, A dash, no. This A dash is always less than how much? SS dash, no. So SS dash, always less than that, no doubt. So our statement is modulus SP. SP means what? Z minus Z1. SP means Z minus Z1. Modulus Z minus Z1 minus modulus Z minus Z2 S dash P modulus equals to some constant equals to some constant definitely less than SS dash. What is SS dash? Yes, S dash. What is it? Modulus Z1 minus Z2 or Z2 minus Z1. This is our statement or the definition for the locus to be hyperbola. Locus of Z to be hyperbola. So finally we can write like this. This is if such case, modulus of modulus Z minus Z1 minus modulus Z minus Z2 equals to some constant or something less than modulus Z1 minus Z2, definitely it is bringing us the locus of Z as hyperbola. Its eccentricity is, you know very well that. What is that eccentricity here? Here, modulus SS dash by modulus SP minus S dash P. You will write like this as a modulus Z1 minus Z2 by what is this some constant? This is eccentricity. Thus we explain about when you are given modulus of modulus Z minus Z1 minus modulus Z minus Z2, modulus of modulus Z minus Z1 minus modulus Z minus Z2 equals to some constant always less than modulus Z1 minus Z2. Naturally, according to Fair also, Z1 minus Z2 SS dash. This constant always less. What is this constant? A dash is the constant because they are fixed. They are fixed here. Okay, like this. This will represent the locus of Z is hyperbola and eccentricity E equals to modulus of SS dash by modulus SP minus S dash P equals to modulus Z1 minus Z2 by K. Thus, locus of Z is hyperbola. If modulus of modulus Z minus Z1 minus modulus Z minus Z2 equals to constant less than constant, this constant less than modulus Z1 minus Z2. That's all. Circles of different regions. Number 1, circle may be like this. Center, this is A and this is B, Z1, Z2 and some P of Z. Naturally, this is semicircle, it will be right angle. So what will get it? Everybody knows. AB square equals to AP square plus BP square. What is AB square? Z1 minus Z2 modulus square. What is AP square? Z minus Z1 modulus Z minus Z1 modulus Z1 minus modulus Z minus Z1 whole square plus modulus Z minus Z2 whole square. This is Pythagoras, everybody knows. If the condition is, if the reason is this, if reason is this, Z1 minus Z2 whole square equals Z minus Z1 whole square plus Z minus Z2 whole square, the locus of Z, what it is? Circle. Z1 and Z2, extremities of diameter. That we can take. Sometimes, number 2, circle of another different reason is maybe like this. Maybe like this. It may be, this is obtuse angle, this is also circle, this is also circle. Then what is the reason? AP modulus AP is equals to some lambda into modulus BP. Lambda should not be equals to 1. If lambda is not equal to 1, then modulus AP equals to some number, any number except 1. Then that will be the obtuse angle will be formed here. That will be the circle. That will be the circumcircle. This will be the circumcircle. It will be the circumcircle. It will be like this. So modulus AP, this is called, we can write this in complex number form. AP means what? AP means modulus Z minus Z1 equals to some lambda modulus Z minus Z2, where lambda should not be equals to 1. Then locus of Z is circle. Circumcircle. Sometimes it may be the same thing we can tell. Here, PA rotates like this, like this, like this, like this. Rotates. And what is the angle? Anti-clockwise direction. It will be like this only, no. PB bar by PA. This will be like this. PB bar by PA. This is one arc of pi by 2. Arc of pi by 2. Arc of, this is third of different region. Condition, different condition. Like this. PA, PB, PB, PB by PA, complex number. What is the arc of that? So, arc of implies arc of, what is PB? Z minus Z2 by Z minus Z1 equals to pi by 2, maybe like this, or maybe like this. Okay, so we will write plus or minus. Locus of Z. Locus of Z will be like this only, no? Z is circle, and the Z1, Z2 ends of dia. I told you one same to same, this one. This is semicircle, this is semicircle. And I told this is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. This is circle, this is circumcircle. In this case, Z minus Z1, AP modulus AP equals to lambda modulus BP, because it may be never be 1. If it is 1, what will be Modulus AP equal to modulus PP. If it is 1, then what will be the locus of Z is? The locus of Z lies on perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. The first point, the first case I told in first case in LOCI, first case, please go back. If it is 1, if it is not equal to 1, it will become a circle. It will become a circumcircle. Maybe like this, or maybe like this, or maybe like this, or maybe like this, or maybe like this. This will be. So this is a different reason of circle. So what is that? Modulus Z minus Z1 equals to lambda modulus Z minus Z2, where lambda is not equal to 1. Locus of Z is circle, circumcircle. Circle, circumcircle. Now, for the circle, this also I told. Both I told. Both same. Both same. This is like Pythagoras we have given the form. This is concept of rotation I told. Concept of rotation once I told just a few days back. On the basis of concept of rotation, I have given like this. The complex number is PB bar by PA bar. That is Z minus Z2 by Z minus Z1. This is one complex number whose argument is plus or minus pi by 2, because it will be like this or it will be like this. It is coming like this. So locus of Z is also circle, and then Z1, Z2. Z1, Z2 means A and B will be the ends of dia, will be on circle. One line will be there, A, B, and some P. So it will be like this, A, P, B, A, P, B. This, if we stretch like this, it will be A, P, B. Actually, like this, we stretch like this, it will be APB. And then what it is? AP bar. If this is like this, PB like this rotates by BP bar. If argument of this equals to 0 or pi, this, if it comes, rotates, supposed to be stopped like this and coincident, what will be? Locus of Z is a straight line. It is a straight line, because the angle is 0 or pi. What is AP? AZ1, BZ2, P of Z. Then what is AP? Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2, arg of 0 or pi. Then its locus of Z is a straight line. Okay. Next. Here, a special case arc of z minus z1 by z minus z2 equals to some theta fixed. Then locus of z is a segment of circle. A segment of circle. If it is fixed, like that. You see, say like this. Say like this. PB, it will be like this. PA bar by PB bar, Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 is theta. Similar case will be like this. Like this. Here also, this one will be like this. Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 is also theta. So, by saying this, we can understand this is the locus segment of the circle. Segment of circle can be taken like this. You see here, like this. Arrow mark I kept. Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2. You take like this. Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2. Both are constant. If angle is constant, if arc of Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 equals to arc of Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 equals to theta fixed constant, then locus of Z is a segment of circle. It is a segment of circle. It is a segment of circle. Miscellaneous questions. If omega equals to Z by z minus I by 3 and modulus omega equals to 1. Then z lies on parabola a straight line circle an ellipse like this. Modulus omega equals to 1. So definitely modulus omega equals to 1. This is modulus omega equals to 1. This is omega. So if you apply modulus, we can apply modulus both sides. So here modulus z by modulus z minus I by 3 equals to modulus omega equals to 1. That's all. Implies modulus z equals to modulus z minus I by 3. There ends the matter. I have told before this the first LOCI in organed plane, the first point I told. What I told? Modulus z minus z1 equals to modulus z minus z2, I told. Z lies on perpendicular bisector of z1 and z2. Please observe this. Same thing. Okay. So here the locus of z is therefore z lies on perpendicular bisector of z. Only z means what? This is 0 only, no? Of 0, 0 and what is this? 0, 1 by 3. Because minus means it will be plus 1 coming. I into 1 by 3 means this is y ordinate 0, 1 by 3. This is the perpendicular bisector of join of these 2 points like this. Something here z will be there. Z will be there. So the right option is a straight line. A straight line is the right option. Arc of z minus I plus 3 by z plus 3i minus 1 whole square equals 2 pi. Locus of Z is what is the locus of Z? Circle, line segment, ellipse, parabola, what is it? So naturally it will be two of arc of because square is there, square, that it will come this side, 2 arc of Z minus I plus 3 by Z plus 3I minus 1 equals 2 pi. And then arc of Z minus I plus 3 by Z plus 3I minus 1 equals to pi by 2. By seeing this, before this question, I told, no, arc of Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 equals to plus or minus pi by 2. It will be definitely a circle, no? So, definitely it is a circle. So, Z lies on circle, Z lies on a circle, no doubt it is on a circle having diametrically observe here, having diametrically opposite points. What are the opposite points here? Minus 3 plus I. You see here, Z minus of minus 3 plus I and 1 minus 3I. It means minus 3 comma 1, and this means 1 comma minus 3, like this. Observe, minus 3 comma 1 and 1 comma minus 3, like this. So anyhow the option is a circle. Anyhow the option is a circle. Let Z comma omega be complex numbers such that Z bar plus I omega bar equals to 0 and arc of Z omega equals to pi, then arc of Z omega equals to pi, then arg of Z is, who must get 3 pi by 4. Our first condition is Z bar plus I omega bar equals to 0. Implies I omega bar equals to minus Z bar. Okay. Conjugacy both sides. Conjugacy both sides. I omega bar bar like this. Implies I bar means minus I omega, because omega bar equals to minus Z. Implies by I want to multiply minus I square omega equals to I want to multiply both sides minus I Z. By I multiplied. By I multiplied. Minus I square omega equals to minus IZ. Implies minus I square is, what is that? Plus 1. So omega equals to minus IZ. Why I found omega? Because another condition is given, that is arg Z omega equals to pi. Arg Z, what is omega? Minus IZ. Minus IZ equals to pi. And then arg minus IZ square equals to pi. Arg Z square, okay, plus arg minus I equals to pi, according to argument properties. 2 arg Z, this is arg of minus I. What is minus I? Plus arg of minus I means what? Cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2. What is this? Cos pi by 2 0 minus I. Okay na? Okay. So equals to pi. 2 arg Z equals to arg Z, 2 arg Z plus, what is arg of this? Minus pi by 2. What is arg of this? Cos of minus pi by 2 plus I sin of minus pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 equals to pi. So 2 arg of Z equals to pi plus pi by 2. What is this? 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Therefore, arg Z equals to 3 pi by 4. This is our option. If the cube roots unity 1 omega square, then the roots of x minus 1 whole cube zero. What are the roots? Minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square. This is the answer. What is the answer? Minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square. What are the roots of this? With the help of cube roots of unity 1 omega square, with the help of this, what are the roots of this equation? Please solve this. Solve. What is it? Solve. Solve. X minus 1 whole cube plus 8 equals to 0. X minus 1 whole cube equals to minus 8. X minus 1 whole cube minus 2 whole cube. So x minus 1 by minus 2 whole cube equals to 1. Implies x minus 1 by minus 2 equals to 1 to the power 1 by 3. Here x minus 1 by minus 2 roots 1 omega square, because this is cube roots of unity, cube roots of unity. So that is 1 omega square. So x minus 1 by minus 2 roots 1 omega square. X minus 1 roots minus 2 omega square. X roots 1 minus 2 omega 1 minus 2 omega square. Therefore, roots of x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 equals to 0 are minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square. Hi, I think you have watched this video. You might have been satisfied more. Any clarifications there, please ask them and send them. I will prepare one video for all clarifications. And two videos, maybe more, for all miscellaneous types of questions on complex numbers. After that, I plan to start combinatorics or permutations and combinations or combinatorics, which are very, very useful. At the same time, most of the students will have many doubts on it. Most of the students will not have the proper approach on it. So I want to start. I will take more time to explain permutations and combinations or combinatorics. Afterwards, I will continue probability. Both are connected. So I have to start like that. I have to continue like that. That is my plan. After 2 days, I will start it. After 2 or 3 days, I will start it. These 2 videos will be there on complex numbers. I want to finish first. Afterwards, I will start combinatorics. Okay. Apart from this, the very important thing is, from your side, the cooperation is very important. If there is no cooperation properly from the student side, I must have some self-interest now. The interest within myself should be created by the interest of the students. So, what is the cooperation from your side is, you have to improve the number of students to learn the subject, which is more useful even for intermediate or for NCERT students, those students who follow CBSE, or for MSET or any competitive exam. Not only JEE mains and IIT JEE mains or advanced, all types of, for some types of competitive exams. For example, MSET, JEE mains, JEE advanced, for intermediate, for BTech students, some lessons or chapters in mathematics. Like that, if you, according to your interest and cooperation, totally I say the coordination between student and myself, then my interest will be more, and I will make, or I will prepare many videos according to your wish and will, and according to your need. I will prepare the videos. I will make them very beneficial to the students. So for that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Every time I am telling, because that is once I want to remind you. Of course you know or you know, do not know. It's my responsibility to remember you and pass on this news. And I want the number of students, viewers must be more, and a multitude of viewers must be there. So for that, you only can cooperate and coordinate with me. So I hope you will do that. Thank you very much.